we now interrupt your normally scheduled Packs and PJs program with an announcement. Someone's got a bit of a problem. Yeah. I went crazy, and I ordered a bunch of starter decks. Probably too many, because there's a local event on Saturday, and I don't really have enough cards to make a deck. So these are all presets. Look at this. Look at this pile. What am I doing? Oh. But these all come with a booster pack. So I figured we'd get exciting and open these and get all the packs out of them. Yeah, I hope everyone's having a good night. And yeah, Monday was freaking big time Monday at work. Big time. So I was like, oh, okay, that's great. Okay. Good decks. Okay. I guess I better split this into a couple of videos so that it doesn't take like forever to load. Apparently in the Lorcana group, everyone says the car pack opening, quote unquote, car openings is where it's at. Like people like grab a couple packs from their like game store or Target or something like that, and they open them in their car, and then they like get freaking enchanted like left and right. I was like, okay, I'll have to try it at some point. I was like, they changed the opening mechanism for Inklands. Let's do the side. I'm sure this is thrilling. You guys are like, oh, cool. He's opening starter packs. Pretty excited. I got 2 of the first chapter ones. And these will be my very first chapter packs that I'm opening. Okay. So got like a whole bunch of pre-mades to go with. Look at that. Cha-ching. Okay. Okay, I'll do one of each pack, and then I'll cut it, and I'll save these for a little bit later. We'll save this for last pack magic. We'll go in reverse order. So we'll go Inklands first. Oh my God. The video's gonna be like 5 minutes long. Okay, we're going Inklands first. Gizmo suit. I watched Treasure Planet yesterday, and that's such a fun movie. Mufasa. Nice. Peter Pan. And Ursula. It's a good card. All right. Okay. It's pack 1. Okay. Floodlands. Queen of Hearts. 1/9. Woo! Cruella. Bashful. Ooh, the Queen. That's a good card. Yzma. Also a good card. Charge. Okay. This is my very first pack ever of the first chapter. Ooh, exciting. Oh, nice Pumbaa. Maleficent, that's a good one. Peter Pan. Aladdin, all classics. Nice. Donald. Elsa. Flynn Rider, another good one. Robin Hood, Big Blue. And the Goons. All right, I better cut it there. This is over 5.5. Thanks, guys.